Someone said to me the other day, why don't you stock everything? We want exterior to be fantastic. We don't want you to have to come in and choose between 5 really good ones that are all $250. We want to just have the best one at $250. What we do is we get a range that is suggested to us by each brand. We will get in a few of these different options, have a look at them, touch them, feel them, and then we fit them into our personal vehicles. So each stereo we've had in one of our cars, we've played with, we know the strengths, we know the weaknesses, we've tried all the little bits out to make sure everything does the job the way we're happy with. And once we're happy with a stereo, then we'll start selling it. The aim is to try and cut down your decision making and to make sure that you end up with an excellent result every time. This is the joy of dealing with technicians, not salespeople. All 3 of the JC Installs team are car audio technicians. We're not here to try and sell you something, we're here to guide you into the right stereo, and we use our expertise and our time that we spend on the tools to help you out with this.